For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a bowling alley business is an exciting venture that combines entertainment, community gathering, and steady revenue potential. To succeed in this competitive space, it's essential to plan carefully, understand your market, manage finances wisely, and market your business effectively. Fortunately, free AI tools today can significantly streamline many of these steps, from research and planning to marketing and customer engagement. This guide will walk you through the process of starting your bowling alley business using free AI resources at every stage. Step 1. Research and validate your idea. Before diving into the business, you need to understand the market demand and competition for bowling alleys in your chosen location. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to gather market data, trends, and customer preferences. Start by asking the AI for a market overview. Example prompt. Provide an analysis of the bowling alley market in your city/state, including customer demographics, competition, and growth trends. These insights will help you assess the viability of your business and identify unique selling points. Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan outlines your business model, goals, financial projections, and operational strategy. Using AI, you can generate a first draft quickly and then refine it. ChatGPT is ideal for this task, helping you formulate each section clearly. Example prompt. Help me write a business plan for a new bowling alley in location, including sections on market analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and management structure. You can also use AI-powered spreadsheet templates from Google Sheets with built-in functions for budgeting and financial forecasting. Step 3. Define your target audience and services. Knowing who your customers are will shape your marketing and service offerings. Use AI to create customer personas based on demographic data and local interests. Ask the AI to generate a detailed profile of potential bowling alley customers. Example prompt. Describe the typical customer profile for a bowling alley in city, including age, interests, and spending habits. Decide whether you will focus on families, leagues, corporate events, or casual bowlers, and what extra services you will offer, such as food and beverage, arcade games, or party hosting. Step 4. Find and analyze a location. The success of a bowling alley largely depends on its location. Use AI tools like Google Maps combined with local data to scout potential sites. You can also ask AI to analyze foot traffic, nearby competitors, parking availability, and local regulations. Example prompt. What are the key factors to consider when choosing a location for a bowling alley in city? Once you shortlist locations, use AI to draft questions for site visits or negotiations. Step 5. Design your bowling alley layout and experience. A welcoming, functional layout is crucial to attract and retain customers. Use AI-based design tools such as Canva for basic visual mockups or SketchUp, free version, for 3D layouts. While these are not purely AI, ChatGPT can assist you in brainstorming ideas and creating design briefs. Example prompt. Suggest a bowling alley layout that optimizes space for 12 lanes, a snack bar, and party rooms. You can then feed this input to design tools to create your floor plan. Step 6. Develop your marketing plan. To get your first customers and build ongoing traffic, you need an effective marketing plan. ChatGPT can generate comprehensive marketing strategies tailored to local entertainment businesses. Example prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new bowling alley in city, focusing on social media, community events, and promotions. Use free social media management tools like Buffer or Hootsuite with free plans to schedule posts and monitor engagement. AI-powered tools like Canva also help create eye-catching promotional graphics. Step 7. Estimate startup costs and budgeting. Starting a bowling alley requires capital for equipment, leasing or buying a venue, renovations, and initial marketing. Use AI tools to assist in estimating costs and building a realistic budget. Example prompt. Provide a detailed estimate of startup costs for opening a 12-lane bowling alley, including equipment, rent, staffing, and marketing. Combine this with spreadsheet tools for budgeting and cash flow projections. Step 8. Legal structure and licensing. Understanding legal requirements is vital. While AI cannot replace a lawyer, ChatGPT can guide you on typical permits and licenses required for a bowling alley business. Example prompt. List the common licenses and permits required to open and operate a bowling alley in your state/country. Use this information to consult local authorities or legal advisors for specifics. Step 9. Hire and train staff. Your team's quality impacts the customer experience. Use AI to draft detailed job descriptions and interview questions tailored to bowling alley roles such as managers, attendants, and kitchen staff. Example prompt. Write a job description for a bowling alley manager and suggest interview questions to assess their suitability. Additionally, you can create training materials or customer service guidelines with the help of AI. Step 10. Plan your grand opening and customer engagement. Launching your bowling alley with a strong opening event can generate buzz and initial loyalty. Use AI to plan the event, draft invitations, and create promotional content. Example prompt. Help me create a grand opening event plan for a new bowling alley, including promotional ideas and social media posts. You can also automate follow-up communications using free email marketing platforms like MailChimp's free tier. Step 11. Monitor and improve business operations. After opening, ongoing success depends on tracking performance and adapting. AI chatbots, like ManyChat's free plan, can help engage customers online or gather feedback. Use AI analytics tools within social media platforms or Google Analytics for website traffic. Example prompt. Suggest ways to collect customer feedback effectively for a bowling alley business. Use this data to refine your marketing, improve customer service, and introduce new offers. Step 12. Explore expansion and additional revenue streams. Once your bowling alley is stable, use AI to research new business opportunities such as hosting leagues, corporate events, or adding VR bowling experiences. Starting a bowling alley business can be both challenging and rewarding. Free AI tools can save you time and improve your decision-making throughout the process. From market research and business planning to marketing and customer engagement, leveraging AI enhances your ability to launch and grow successfully. Embrace these tools to give your bowling alley the best chance of becoming a community favorite and a profitable venture. With clear planning, smart marketing, and excellent service, your bowling alley can strike the perfect balance between fun and business success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.